Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing an AirTag 4-pack. So, been meaning to get these for a while. Let's check out the packaging. AirTag 4-pack. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Okay. All right, let's do this. So the pull tab's over here. Satisfying as usual. Let me zoom out a little bit. All right. Okay, I was wondering how they're gonna have the 4 AirTags in here. 1 second. AirTag. Let's see. Any stickers? Any stickers, Apple? Let's see. Oh, no stickers. I don't want this. All right, wait. Oh, no stickers. They should make stickers of all their products, not just the Apple logo. Then it's kind of like free advertisement if people use those cool kind of like emoji stickers, I'm thinking. All right, here we go. AirTag. Ooh, oh, that's pretty cool packaging. So here's what it looks like. Update to the latest iOS or iPadOS. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, so instructions. Then the 4 AirTags are nicely tucked in to the cardboard. Pull tab when ready to use. Oh, okay, so there's a tab for the battery. Hold near device and follow on screen instructions. Simple enough. All right, give them props for the packaging. Pretty legit. Let's pull one out. It's pretty tight. That's what he said. All right. Ultra wideband AirTag designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE low energy. Dang. What an experience. I'm not going to pull this all the way until I pair it, but cute device. Gonna use these. Gonna drop one in my car, in my backpack, on my nephew. You know, just track everything. Yeah, really great looking product. I mean, looks higher quality than I thought, and props to Apple for looking like they put out something good. Beat earnings this quarter. Congrats. Let's go. All right. Thanks, everyone. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're doing well. See you next time. Bye.